This is a numerical related to equivalent mass. It is given that 3 grams of an oxide of a metal is converted to chloride completely, and it gave 5 grams of chloride, and we need to find out the equivalent weight of the metal. So here one compound of the metal is converted into another compound of the metal, isn't it? Here the metal oxide is converted into metal chloride. So in doing so, definitely the number of equivalents of the metal oxide should be always equal to the number of equivalents of the metal chloride, isn't it? The equivalents of the metal oxide and the equivalents of the metal chloride are the same. And how you will get the equivalents of the metal oxide? Its mass, that is 3, divided by its gram equivalent mass, and again the equivalence of metal chloride means it is equal to its mass divided by its gram equivalent mass. And what is the gram equivalent mass of the metal oxide? It is nothing but the equivalent mass of the metal, let me take it as E, plus equivalent mass of the oxygen, which is equal to 8. Then what is the gram equivalent mass of this metal chloride? It is again the equivalent mass of the metal plus the equivalent mass of the chlorine, that is 35.5. So on solving this, you will be getting the value of equivalent mass of the metal, which is equal to 33.25. So our answer is option D. So this is the basic concept involved here. Whenever one compound of a metal is converted into another compound, definitely the equivalence of the first compound should be always equal to equivalence of the second compound, and you will be definitely getting the correct answer.